You want more spice in your life? Literally, this is the place for you.
Because I would hang out in the store that sells spices and talk to people about making their food taste good. Because I just love the cooking, clearly love to eat, and I like my food to taste really good.
From different sizes to colors, potency, and strengths, you can elevate the simplest recipes, make your food taste good, add some herbs, sweeten things up a bit, focus your culinary purpose. A few spices will do the trick. Need to heat up a recipe? Maybe tone it down to plain vanilla or change the dressing? The Savory Spice Shop can help you do that very impressively.
I've got a phenomenal staff in place right now. Our staff will come up to you and ask you if you've been in the store before. And if you say that you haven't been in the store before, you get kind of a little rundown about how it works.
Each spice is a unique aroma and flavor.
Everything's hand blended and hand ground, so there's no artificial colors, there's no artificial flavors, there's no anti-clumping agents, there's no MSG. It's all just fresh ground spice.
I love shopping here. It's something new every time I come here.
Nicole is the owner of Soul Harvest, is a vegan chef, and you can find her new book called Easy Vegan Soul in the store. She says everyone who cooks should come here.
I think what's hard for people is the creativity. I think people can't think of new ways to use their spices and utilize their spices. And Savory Spice Shop makes it really simple for someone who's not familiar with flavors and flavor profiles.
There is an art to cooking and culinary skills. A delicate balance exists, making sure that just the right amount is added.
We have to tell people a lot of times you're gonna end up using a lot less than you normally would of, say, like paprika or fresh ground pepper or whatever, because the flavor is so potent.
And they treat you like family. I mean, the customer service is amazing.
Jonna loves the store's unique blend of spices and ingredients. She adds shopping here has made her a better chef. Her particular trade is pastry.
It's turned my cakes into works of art. I really research ingredients and study different flavor profiles. Their vanilla selection, as someone who makes cakes and pastries, is amazing.
And for those in the fast lane, Savory Spice Shop has a way to get that meal prep down even faster. It is truly very easy.
We've kind of taken some of the guesswork out of that with the Spice and Easy program. So on the front, there's gonna be a list of things you need from the grocery store, and on the back, there's gonna be the recipe. It kind of breaks down some cuisines or some cooking styles that might be a little less straightforward and makes them to where you can do it at your house. But we're kind of focusing a little bit more on them because they're doing really well and people do enjoy them.